I knew now this was something. I'm not in the... Yeah, what you talking about, man? You lose your race right there.
Think the blood clot. Next time you do that, boy, I broke your bumbo clot job.
Yo.
That blood clot, boy, I get them for fucking fool. How are you dealing with my youth?
The response then, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like what? Like y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that...
Everybody's loving Jamaica, upset with Jamaica, fantasizing about Jamaica. So this is a special edition. All Jamaicans, stand strong, stand firm, in the Gideon, as we would have said.
We need some milk.
Let's take it from the top. What's happened is, this boy's being told that his woman called another man, but obviously the woman's got him whipped, and he don't believe the original Don Gargan. I think it's his father. So check it out. Let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show.
Let's tell you the blood clot, man.
Whew, that was good.
You think you can disrespect the black man? You look a nasty blood clot. You
Bamba clot. Boy, if you have style.
Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume?
The name Jamaica was derived from the Taino name Yamaka.
I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. Hey, you from Jamaica? How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful.
Big up the girl that know your breast long like goat rope.
People on TikTok. Me go tell you the truth where God love.
Okay. Oh, you want to do this? If you love your life, oh, you want to do this?
I don't know. But straight up.
All right, so this one is called Blinded by Love. The elder is going to tell his son or nephew something, and I don't know if the son's going to take it in. Let's take a look.
We need some milk.
Here, actually, on the phone a while ago, telling me about is a girl. My advice on course. And trust me, no, don't even go there actually about the no thing. Because you know hear me say nothing. We just allow you make you do your thing. But the Angelo, trust me, she was on the phone with a guy a while ago.
He's not telling the truth. Like,
oh, you mean not telling the truth?
I wasn't
Why would I be lying to you?
Okay, let me ask you this. You always say the same thing. She was talking on the phone. Was she talking to you? Maybe stick book in her ears and deaf ears give liar trouble. You always...
Hold on, what? Yo, that guy's facey to tell his uncle or to tell the elder that stick broke in him ears. For all who don't know what that means, it means a stick got caught in your ears so you could no longer hear properly. So what he said to his elder was disrespectful. Let's go.
I don't know. But straight up, I hear Ashley on the phone a while ago telling me about is a girl. My advice on course. And trust me, no, don't even go there actually about the no thing. Because she don't hear me say nothing. We just allow you make you do your thing. But the Angelo, trust me, she was on the phone with a guy a while ago.
he's not telling the truth. Like,
Oh, you mean not telling the truth?
I wasn't
Why would I be lying to you?
Okay, let me ask you this. You always say the same thing. She was talking on the phone. Was she talking to you? Maybe stick book in her ears and deaf ears give liar trouble. You always say that.
You see, you always...
You always say the same thing. She was talking on the phone. Was she talking to you? Maybe stick book in her ears and deaf ears give liar trouble. You always say that.
You see, you always come with something like you idiot talking like you're full of blood clot idiot. Don't blood clot, man, like you take me for fucking fool. How are you dealing with my youth? They tell you say the blood clot man, I talk to a man. I come tell you say, no woman voice no course for my youth. How are you chat about?
I know, but she wasn't talking to you, so maybe deaf ears give liar trouble.
What kind of me not deaf? You tell me say me deaf? You know where you come tell me about deaf ears?
maybe just misheard.
Maybe nothing me hear when me hear. You can't come tell me about no maybe nothing. Me hear you, Ashley, man.
Yo, that girl knows that she has that guy whipped and wrapped up. Yo.
I don't really understand what he's saying because he keeps speaking patois. So, I like.
My God, no bring off that for me now. You're going like you're a fool now. Like, you know, you don't understand. Wait, you take me for idiot?
But she thought you just said that you're my favorite daughter-in-law, but you said that I checked for you because you are my daughter-in-law. You just didn't hear her good.
I didn't understand what he was asking.
She, you know, here.
I didn't understand what you were asking.
She not here. Me tell you what me here. Don't come on like you tell me for blood clot either.
The son needs some milk. He needs to listen to his father on that one.
He needs some milk.
Meanwhile, in Jamaica, during a hurricane,
He needs some milk.
all right, she looked like she feel good. What do you think about this, Jamaicans?
Good.
To me, you know what, you know, oh God, tap your bumbo clock nice and made. To me, you know what, you know, oh God, tap your bumbo clock nice and made.
I'm gonna get two face the blood clot work. Me like get some boy some face it up.
I don't tell no boy and I don't kill up and I lie no I tell. Oh, me on your boots me. Me don't want your boots me. No boots me so. I mean them bag of nights and feel like me I do nothing good.
Hey, that's impression me. So what you saw a while ago? But I know your blood clot self now. I feel good.
Yo, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna interpret that. Let's interpret this one.
Ooh, that was good.
To me,
You see, you and me now.
you know what, you know,
I don't want to hear no.
oh God, tap your bumbo clock nice and made.
Stop your darn noise.
I'm gonna get two face the blood clot work.
All right, so this girl is saying that when she has a man, she likes to antagonize the man, give him some feisty words. In other words, give him some maybe some words that's going to edge him on, some disrespectful kind of words to edge him on.
Me like get some boy some face it up.
Right? She likes to give them those kind of talks, and it antagonizes the man sexually.
I don't tell no boy and I don't kill up and I lie no I tell.
All right, so he says a lot of times, y'all telling lies.
Oh, me on your boots me. Me don't want your boots me.
You're telling lies about I'm doing it good in the BE Ed, and I don't want you to boost me. I don't want you to falsely. It's like when a woman is having a false orgasm, right?
Boots me so. I mean them bag of nights and feel like me I do nothing good.
You're making all that noise to make me feel like I'm doing something good, but
Hey, that's impression me. So what you saw a while ago? But I know your blood clot self now. I feel good. I go back in my element.
I'm gonna let that one play right out. But that girl is pretty much saying after she makes those feisty talk with the man, she wants the man to imprint her, to really lay it down on her. So let's take it from the top. No more interruption. Yeah?
It's good.
To me, you know what, you know, oh God, tap your bumbo clock nice and made.
I'm gonna get two face the blood clot work. Me like get some boy some face it up.
I don't tell no boy and I don't kill up and I lie no I tell. Oh, me on your boots me. Me don't want your boots me. No boots me so. I mean them bag of nights and feel like me I do nothing good.
Hey, that's impression me. So what you saw a while ago? But I know your blood clot self now. I feel good. I go back in my element.
Don't me boost me to feel. Don't boost me to feel to blood clot like.
Yeah. Bamba clot. Boy, if you have style, we deal with bad girl.
I broke my arm, bro. Me not get no and a singing audition you come. Tap your blood clot, man. I said that's the thumping in your face. No make the noise on your fuck, man. Me not like the morning business. No moan.
Somebody please explain.
You sound like a pussy one.
Man, so don't even moan. Not nice at all. All right, so shout out to all the rest of the Caribbean islands. Antigua, St. Lucia, Barbados. Shout out to all the South American Guyana. Of course, big up Trinidad. But if you know, you know. Who don't know, you know. See that symbol up in the corner there? Jamaica. All day, all day, but people still question, and people are still not sure how and why. Let me give you some information.
Business, no more.
Somebody please explain to me. And I don't want to hear it from no Jamaicans. I don't want to hear it. And you over there, you better just hush because I don't want to hear it either. Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume, or this is a response then, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like what? Like y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is?
Yeah. Don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that.
You ain't lying. Don't get me wrong.
Shout out to the content creator that brought up this Jamaican video because they did a lot of editing. That editing in this Jamaican section here, this little part right here with this girl is not my editing. And I don't know the content creator's name, but... Shut up! Shut up! Okay. Look what let's play it. But big up to him, enough respect. All right, let's go.
You think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is?
Yeah. Don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that.
You ain't lying. Don't get me wrong. Technically, I'm like Jamaican by marriage, you know. It's
What's up there?
Johnny,
Which summer? Which holiday?
No.
But that's not the point in this. That's not the point here. Why is it that people always assume that if you're from the Caribbean, you're from Jamaica? Like, it's not the only Caribbean island.
Which shit about the area?
And where the blood clot this? And where the blood clot this?
Come move your dirty blood clot.
Anyways, all your updates. My husband said that Jamaica put themselves on the map. So I'm just gonna let y'all deal with him in the comments because I don't really have the energy today.
Stop the cap.
Remember, me never trouble you. Remember, say, me never trouble you. Bestie.
Hey, why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica?
Jamaica are the big deal and everything else are small fries and side order.
It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have to.
You know you can't mess with Jamaicans. Not at all. Not at all. You can't mess with Jamaicans. Jamaicans are perfect.
Check this out. Hey, why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica?
Jamaica are the big deal and everything else are small fries and side order.
It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we're taking the plane. All you hear is... Sit down! Talk about hijack your mother! They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue, 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 blue. Just simple shit. What you mean, what I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomber clad club, post the wall? You know me? I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. Hey, you from Jamaica? How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach, the water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York? We should be mad. You go to the beach in New York? Nigga, you would come out with a drug addiction. Nigga go swimming and come out like, oh shit. Oh shit, man.
All right, that was good. Some fun facts about Jamaica before we get back to any kind of angry Jamaicans. You think people, you think Jamaicans are really angry, or are we just proud and loud, or are we actually angry? Which one? You tell me in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
True or false, Jamaica was once a Spanish-speaking country.
True.
What's the capital city?
Kingston.
What's the population?
I don't know.
2.8 million. Are there any similarities with the UK and Jamaica?
The diversity, I think. There's a lot of Caribbean influence, music.
And the Jamaican...
All right, same with Canada. Shout out to the UK.
Culture heavily influenced the British culture.
Exactly.
What's going on in Jamaica right now?
So Vybz Kartel had his first performance in 14 years since he's been incarcerated, and it sold out Freedom Street, and he brought loads of artists from all over the country to perform with him.
Tell me something most people don't know about Jamaica.
Jamaica is now located on an underwater mountain peak, and Blue Mountain was the first thing to appear in the east.
Is that where Blue Mountain coffee comes from?
Yes. It is. The name Jamaica was derived from the Taino name Yamaka.
Shout out to the Maroons.
Which means land of wood or Isle of Springs.
Right.
The Spanish gave it its current.
Big up the girl, know your
The Spanish gave its current name. That's some good education, not true? Shout out to the girls who go a dancehall, because you know a dancehall is different in Jamaica. We say anything.
Was derived from the Taino name Yamaka, which means land of wood or Isle of Springs. The Spanish gave it its current.
Big up the girl, know your breast long like goat rope. But the boy still a suck them out. Baby, you can bust a slow wine for me, please.
Look like you need a no replacement.
All right. Now we're going to get into the section, all right? No, it's not funny.
Kick it.
This section is called Angry Jamaican.
On TikTok, me I go tell you no truth where God love. Yes, when you need a blood clot dead for hungry, calmer than uno you can't find, nicer than uno you can't find. You see, as soon as the people them on TikTok start feed on a nasty thinking blood clot, uno are the first person to tell them to go suck them mother, how them a whore, how them a dog, how them a no nothing, how them a this. Oh, nobody no fi take no apology from uno fi go suck uno thinking mama. Uno a drunk, uno ungrateful pussy wall uno wall uno on TikTok. Anytime people then say uno are dead for blood clot, hungry and sorry for uno drunk.
All right, she has some points, because when TikTok was going on, Jamaicans were so nice on TikTok. Then all of a sudden, y'all dissing the people that are sending you money.
Clot.
Continue.
You are the first person to tell them to go suck them mother.
Oh gosh.
How them a whore, how them a dog, how them a no nothing, how them a this. Oh, nobody no fi take no apology from uno fi go suck uno thinking mama. Uno a drunk, uno ungrateful pussy wall uno uno on TikTok. Anytime people then say uno are dead for blood clot, hungry and sorry for uno drunk a ton pan the people them a tell the gift of them fi go suck them mama, gift of them a whore, gift of them a nobody. Uno fi go suck for uno blood clot mama. People don't want no apology from uno go suck uno thinking mama.
Man confronts man playing loud music on the train.
That's what you need for no. Yeah, I'm playing for me, man. I'm playing. But nobody don't want to hear your music in the morning. You want to hear what? Nobody want to hear your blood clot music in the morning. Play it to your blood clot for I want to play it to my place, my blood type place. You understand? And don't say shit to me, man. Suck your blood clot, mother. Dirty pussy one. My motherfucker. Fuck your dog. Bullet and a motherfucker so fat, I do not give a fuck. Yeah, I will put some holes in your pussy. Yeah, idiot. You're an idiot. Yeah, idiot. Fuck. Do what you want, the pussy one. Do what you want. Do your blood clot want, the pussy one. What you want, though? When you clean your blood clot, sir. If you love your life, jump out and earn yourself. Do what you want, the pussy one. You jump out of your wheelchair like you want to suck. Do something, pussy one. I lose your life when I got my gun on me because so do you want to the pussy one? Do you want to you need me to fuck. Do you want the pussy one?
Okay.
You sound like a pussy one.
Yo. The guy told him to turn on his music. He's not listening, doesn't want to turn on his music, so he's pretty much telling him this.
You sound like a pussy one. And I better you shut the fuck up, yeah, man. I'm the boy, man.
Yo, it's gonna get steamy. Let's hear what's going on.
You know we turn everything off your blood. Lose your blood clot, man. Leave me a fucking low. I'm money. I lose your life when I blood clot. Leave me a fucking low, bro. Why you gotta say anything to me? What the fuck that talk about? I'm not in your house.
All right, so it is, nobody gets hurt here. So it is entertainment purposes. Cut out some of that cuss in there. So let's get it back up. All right, because he told him that he has a thing on him. So he's telling him, yeah, bring it.
If you love your life, all you want to do this. How you want to do it? How do you want all you want to do this?
Say, boy, if you love your life, how do you want to do this?
Just move to the next move. What? Jump on you, jump on you.
Oh boy, and it's getting sticky again. People are walking away. Oh boy.
It's a black light off my yard. Jump on. Closing doors, please. Jump on now.
All right, that looked like America as far as I can hear with the train system.
I'm not in your house, man.
All right, he said you have your tool upon you. That means you have your thing on you. You said you have your thing on you, right? So draw your tool, he said.
I'm not in your house. Draw your blood clot tool. I'm not in your house.
Blood clot for Jamaicans is like you god dang or you're effing, you know? Same thing, you know?
Draw your tool. I use say you're on fire. Draw your tool. I ain't going full sword. I'll suck your blood clot. I want you, boy. Fuck that trouble. You're not talking boy for less than that. You don't know your blood clot here. Fuck that trouble. Yeah. There's something now. I knew me out here to bust a move. I'm not in there. Yeah. What you talking about, nigga?
Hold on.
You lose your life right there.
All right. From the American soldier to the Canadian Rastaman up in Canada. One of my ends. Big up the UK, Canada. Shout out to Australia, Indonesia, Botswana, South Africa. When Jamaicans get upset worldwide, we all sound the same.
Next time you do that, boy, I broke your bumbo clad job.
Oh boy.
You're senior citizen, you can't talk to me like boy. Me work hard on you in this country from 70 to the day I work. But suck your mother pussy. Yeah.
All right, so he works hard in this country. From 1970, he's been here in Canada working hard. And he's not taking no disrespect. Go SUM.
You think you can disrespect the black man? You look a nasty blood clot. You know Canada Bill, boy. You know Canada Bill.
Big up to all the Canadians. All the Canadians worldwide. Enough blood clot respect. All right.
All right, my son. Have a great day at school, yeah? Remember, Daddy love you.
Yo, I feel like YouTube is giving me a fight still. And I don't care. I still do my videos. Thanks for logging in. It's the Mr. Show. Share it. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. You see me? Big up in myself. Every time.
Black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the just simple shit. What you mean? What I want to drink? You want me to shut up this whole bomba clad?
He wasn't talking to you, so maybe deaf ears give liar trouble.
What kind of me not deaf? We are saying I'm deaf. They know where you come tell about deaf ears.
Maybe just